Okay, so this is what happens when you get in a hurry and not paying close enough attention. Your job for the day changes. Hopefully it won't be too bad. I did walk up and go get some tools, and on the way back down here, I happened onto something up here, right here. So I'm hoping that this changes everything. Looks like a little pony. We had some ponies years ago, so that's probably from one of them. Little guy. I'll set that there just to make sure. Try to keep them tight. I checked them this morning, but there's some mud. You can tell there's some dirt and mud in there where buildup in there. I don't know if there was some buildup in there making it tighter than it seemed tighter than it actually was or not. But anyway, I'm gonna try to go about getting this thing back on here and see how it goes. So inside this, behind this plate, just loosened, is two fittings in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Okay, so there's one up here, one down here. This one's to pump up the cylinder and make the track tight. This one up here is like a relief. You loosen it, and that'll bring this wheel in, and this front idler sprocket up here, it will release that and let it come back closer to this and give you room to put that track on. And then you tighten it up and you pump grease in this particular machine. To tighten it, I think there's supposed to be 3/4 of an inch of drop between these idlers down here and the track. So we'll look at that again here in a little while when I get to it. Okay, so we got that back about as far as it'll go. I think it is as far as it'll go. Still a little pressure on it there. I'm gonna clean that up. I gotta put the grease soap back in because that upper relief thing is rounded off. I can't get on it down here. I need to get an easy out and get it out of there and just put a new one in. But anyway, right now I just pulled the grease cert out and got it out of there. I'm gonna put it back in and try to get the track in place, and then probably pump about a tube of grease in it to get it shoved back out there and tightened up. And we'll tighten the other one at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna try to get back on there and raise this side up off the ground and see if I can't get that back in place. I don't think it'll be too bad. Okay, so this is a little tighter than they recommend. It's maybe a ½ inch or maybe even a little less. But I'm going to leave it that way for now because I'm working on a hillside here and I'm going to be sideways a lot. There might still be a little dirt in there that needs to get out. I'm going to run it. I'm going to go to the other side, do the same thing, check that one, and then get this side put back together too, and go back to work for now. And then I'll check them again maybe at the end of the day here. Only got another hour or two that I'm going to work, so I'll check them and when I'm done and see how they are acting then. Maybe all the dirt will be worked out of them. So managed to get the machine back together, finished up what I had planned to do today. Got a few loads of that old trashy dirt hauled into a place I'm needing some fill. Got along pretty good after the mishap with the track. I'm not a superstitious person whatsoever, so I pray for the best and take with whatever happens with a grain of salt, and just expect that was the best thing for the time to happen. So little flub up today, wasn't that big a deal. Got it fixed, moved on. May have cost me some time down the road on something else, but all in all, it's a good day, and maybe I did need to spend that time on something else anyway today. So maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. Appreciate y'all watching. Still learning how to edit, do these videos, get a little more comfortable with them. So I hope you bear with us through this, and we're going to try to get better as we go, as we learn. And we're always open for suggestions, comments. If you like some of our videos we're putting out, give us a like, subscribe. We'd like to have you along for other ones. We've got a lot of stuff coming ahead. We've got 2 places we're working on right now, remodeling, and some cleanup stuff like this we're doing, and we'll try to bring you along and keep some interesting content as we go. So appreciate you watching today, and if you get a chance, stop back by and check on us again down the road. Maybe we'll get a little better as we go. Thank you.